Hello guys, how you guys doing? I hope you're good, staying cute, staying healthy. Come along with me in this video where I'll be showing you my full weekend routine that targets all areas. I'm going to be starting with these two products right here, the Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patch and the Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. So, by the time you're done with this video today, you will be seeing the different products that I use to target my different concerns on my face. And if you have not tried this before, this video is going to encourage you to make out that one day to focus on your self-care and your skincare and take care of yourself. So that is what I'll be doing today. So most times, if I do not catch all my routines throughout the week, I make out this one day that I focus and apply all the skincare routines that I have to do. With this first one, I will be putting it on my eyes, under my eyes, and this hydrogel patch just takes care of a lot of different things for your eyes. It takes care of the dryness, so it helps you hydrate your under eye, and also it targets the black spots or the black patch. Some people will call it panda eyes, and it just helps you take care of your eye area. It has this very soothing effect, cooling and soothing effect that just feels like you massaged your eyes or you have some cooling effect on your eyes. It is really good and you want to try this out. So normally you will have this spatula right there, but because I use mine most of the time, I lost it. But you know what? That's okay. It doesn't matter as long as you are able to keep your hands clean. Keep a clean hands before using it. The next is the charcoal mask. And as you can see, it is already pretty much down. I have used it a lot. I use this every time. So you want to use this mask applicator. Honestly, that is my best tool. Not to say that you cannot use your hands, you can use your hands, but I always prefer to use the mask applicator, and it's not that expensive. It is not. So I love to use it because it just helps me do a better job and also keeps my fingers clean. I want to make sure that I catch all areas of my face. Normally, the focus is always the T-zones from your forehead all the way down your nose and your chin. But for what this product does, I like to apply it all over my face. This product acts like a magnet that pulls out impurities from your skin, from underneath your skin, if I may say. It goes beyond the very first layer of your skin and works to pull out impurities, dirt, bacteria out of your face. And also, it helps with evening your skin tone. So just making the tone of your face even. You want to be careful not to make this touch your eyes, and you want to not go too close to your lips. I mean, not to say that it would do anything, but it's just best practice. Just focus on the other areas that are exposed and try to avoid your mouth, your eyes, and you should be good. So beautiful. I just like the look of it. So my usual practice, I would like to wash off the mask from the applicator right away. I don't like to keep that, and I don't want to tuck my mask in back in the pack, just to keep everything organized and keep everything clean. Yeah, time to pack this hair. Yeah. Now we wait round the clock,
So
just a little bit round the
we're gonna
clock.
wait now for
So
a couple of minutes. And then okay, so this is like 15 minutes or 20 minutes later, and this is what it looks like. And so now my next plan is go wash it up, but as opposed to just washing it off on the sink, I would just go ahead and take my shower and wash everything off. And I'll see you guys for my next steps.
look at the glow. Just look at the effect. Really good.
Okay, so now I am done from washing off all this on my face, the mask. I've taken my shower, I'm dressed, and I am ready to hit the day running. Okay, so let's get into it.
I like to go in and start with the original Healing Vaseline jelly. It's just good. It offers your lips some moisturizing. You don't want to walk around the whole day without moisturized lips. I don't like the effect of dry lips at all. So I like to always apply that. And the next is the Mary Kay Time Wise Replenishing Serum C plus E. Oh my goodness, this is the almighty for me. Like you can hear it in my voice, this is the almighty for me. This serum right here delivers vitamin C and vitamin E. It just gives everything. It gives brightness to the skin. It gives antioxidants. It just does it all. I cannot even, I'm kind of lost for words at this time because of the benefits of this serum. It helps you brighten your skin, it helps protect your skin. If you guys remember the video that I made where I talked about vitamin C, you can tell this is what this product does. And now the plus E in it offers the vitamin E in order to help your skin be firmed and not lose elasticity. It's just good. So beautiful. Next is my Mary Kay Time Wise Antioxidant Moisturizer. This is where I bring in moisturizing my face. I mean, you want to stay hydrated. The serum is not enough to do the hydration. Yes, it does, but then you want to apply a product that actually has the job of moisturizing your skin. And this particular moisturizer is an antioxidant. Mary Kay made it in a way that it is both a moisturizer and an antioxidant that helps protect you from environmental stresses and everything else. Just getting you prepared and ready for what you'll face out there. So, you want to use this little opportunity to massage your face. That is what I do. I just take that time and I just soak it all in and massage, massage, massage. It feels good. You want to try it. And the next is the Mary Kay Time Wise Repair Body Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Okay, so this particular cream is top on the list. Yes, top on the list. And notice that all my products are being used. This is not just, they are being used constantly. I use them. So this eye cream helps target the lines, the early wrinkles that are trying to show up at your young age. It targets black patches, it targets puffiness. Like, it just does it all. It gives everything that you need for your eyes. And it's already made in a way that you do not have to struggle to dispense the product. It dispenses in little quantities. You want to clean it up, girl, after you are done. That's me. I like to talk, clean up, and talk everything right back in. And you want to use the weakest finger, like I showed, to rub in and give a little massage under your eye area. Do not press. I do not press hard. I just give it a little light massage just to straighten up the lines that might be trying to creep up. And look at that. Looks good. Beautiful. The next is the American Mineral Facial Sunscreen, the SPF 30. Now, you want to apply your SPF every day, whether you're at home or whether you're going out. Most importantly, if you are going to be out there, you do want to apply this. Yes, I like to do this little tradition where I dot my products on the four corners of my face. I mean, it's just fun for me, and it just helps for better massaging and working the products into all areas of your skin. Your SPF is there to protect you, of course, if you're going to be out there from the sun, and you do not want to forget your skin. I do not forget my skin. I always apply all my products. As long as it goes on the face, it would also go on the neck. So that is what I do. Yes. And voila. And now I'm ready to get dressed. Put on some earrings and just go on and look cute for the rest of the day. Yes. Right about this time, girl is feeling good. Last check. And peace. Bye. Thanks for watching.